Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to install this Kidde smoke alarm. So this is part number 21029727. So this does take one that is wired. So you're going to have some cables up there that we're going to hook this to, or you may have an existing one that this will work with. Now there's some important things about these smoke detectors. They do have a date on them, and you're not supposed to keep these over 10 years, and they will start chirping at you if they get about 11, 12 years old. So there's the date, 2022. So about 10 to 11 years, you're supposed to throw this away and it will stop working. Now it does come with a battery, and it's got this, we're gonna pull this out to activate the battery. There's also a date installed, so make sure you put the date that you installed it on. Now there is a test button. When you're gonna test it, you press this button and it's gonna beep at you. Now you may or may not have to change the base. Here's what the base looks like. So it's gonna, your electrical connection is going to come through here. You're going to hook it up, and then it's going to screw onto the base. So I always like to find this notch. Now your smoke alarm is going to have a notch also, and you're going to start right there and then line that up. Now that is a key. So that's what this is for. So if you don't want anybody to tamper with this or take it off, be able to take it off, you're going to insert that key right there. And if they come up there and try to take it off, they're not going to be able to take it off. That's what that's for. Now you don't have to remove the battery door. The battery's already installed, and when I remove this, it's going to make connection inside. But I do want to show you that you can open this up. There, it takes a 9-volt battery, and there you can see there's a piece of plastic right there covering that spot. When I pull this, that will activate it. So I can change this battery. Now I have to install this new base, and you're going to want to, when you install it, you want to just knock out the screw hole that you're going to need. Okay, so this is my old one, but when you make the connection on your new one, you're going to want to make sure it's lined up. There's 3 different pins, and it should snap into place with these little ears, and then that way it won't pull off. So I'm fortunate my connector matches with my old one, so I don't have to do any wiring. I can just reuse that connector. Okay, so I've got it plugged in, and I've got power on that plug, and I've got a green light, and this does flash red every so often. So my smoke alarm is ready to go. If I want to test it, it will make all the other smoke alarms go off, but I'm not going to do that right now because my dog's in the house. So you may have noticed it comes with this. So if they're doing construction in your house, they put these on your smoke alarms to keep dust out, because dust can cause these to go off. So be really careful with dust, and but you definitely want to make sure and remove this when they're all done. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.